Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver, 8mm socket, plastic panel popper. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 1999 to 07 Ford Super Duty. So let's get started. First step, using your 8mm socket, we're going to remove 2 bolts. After removing the 2 bolts, go ahead and unseat your taillight. Go ahead and disconnect these 2 bulb sockets, turning counterclockwise. Before we bring our taillight over, go ahead and inspect the rubber gasket seal. Make sure it's intact to prevent any moisture. Go ahead and grab your brake, parking, turn signal bulb socket and disconnect the bulb. Go ahead and grab the parking, brake, and turn signal connector. Go ahead and grab the socket. Go ahead and plug that into the bulb socket. Make sure your negative wire lines up with your negative wire. Go ahead and install this socket into your assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Go ahead and get your reverse light bulb socket. Go ahead and plug that into your assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it. Next, line up these 2 guide pins into the slot. Carefully pop them in place. Go ahead and reinstall your 2 8mm bolts. Now that we have our passenger side taillight installed, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. Now that we're finished with this taillight install, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.